Alright, what's going on? Welcome to another video. Today we are going to be installing these lights that I got from Stage 3 Motorsports. Awesome company, by the way. If you haven't checked those guys out, go ahead and check them out. These are the dome and the map lights. Yeah, that's right. Oh, sorry. Map lights, dome. And it should be a pretty easy install. We're just going to, oh, dang it. Just, take this out. And I should shut the door, so it'll cool down the lights. But we'll do it in a minute. Just these two are going to be replaced, and then this one's going to be replaced. So that should be too bad. All right, let's go ahead and take it out of the box, and let's go from there. Oh, and just something real quick. When you get these, don't freak out about it. I'm pretty sure these two wires right here, I'm assuming it's a universal kit just because it has two of these, because on the dome there's going to be something kind of similar to this. So I'm assuming you plug it in, and this little connector right here is going to go connected into that little deal right there, and behind this is going to be some 3M tape. So in a minute when I take it apart, I'll try to find a good area where to stick this to so it won't rattle or come off. But nevertheless, let's go ahead and get this started. Alright, so once you take it off, well, the trick here is to kind of, oh shit, this is sketchy. Okay, so you pull down your little sun visor deal, and that'll give you just enough clearance to put your hand inside. And there's going to be a tab right here and a tab right there. You kind of just want to pry up on it, or you can just pull it forward a little bit and then kind of just shimmy it out. With these kind of applications, make sure you take your time. The last thing you want to do is break these plastic tabs, and plastic tabs suck because they're really easy to break. But nonetheless, once you get that out, what I did, just to make it a little bit more simpler, is I actually took out the plastic cover that goes on top of that. So the plastic cover is right here. And to take this out, it's really simple. All I got to do is kind of just, once you remove this, and you have a little bit of play. Pretty cool how Ford, made sure they had some slack so you can pull this down a little bit. So once I pulled it down, this little plastic deal, which goes right there, that covers up the lights or whatever. You kind of just want to, oh shit. You want to just kind of push these little tabs in, and then they'll start coming down. And it's really flexible, so that's pretty cool. We don't really got to worry about that. And then all I got to do is take out these bulbs, but I'm going to wait a few seconds just for them to cool down, and then I'll put them on. And again, if they're not working the first time, switch them around because they might be pole sensitive. And that's about it for this little deal. So then after this, I'm going to head on to the back. And I knew this day would happen. I knew there was going to be that one day where, you're trying to put something on and it breaks. And fortunately, it happened to me today with this light. And man, in the beginning, I wasn't really comfortable with this damn thing. I don't know, what the heck is this? This is weird. I mean, it wasn't that bad to put it on, but I guess when I try to switch it around, the little cap that held this red wire, I guess, to this, I don't even know how you call this, terminal or whatever, it just broke off. So I'm gonna send this back, and hopefully I get like a refund, or I just get like a different style, or the style that looks like this but LED. I might go with that instead of this thing. And this is a little confusing. I mean, where on earth would I freaking paste it? I mean, I know once you get your little deal on there, where the heck would I even glue this on there? I don't know. I'm gonna return it back. I'm not a real big fan of this. I thought it was gonna be pretty cool, but man, once you get down and dirty, it gets, it changes. But nonetheless, I guess I just put on the stock one. Just like that. And that works. Okay, we'll just leave it like that. But nonetheless, the ones in the front, they work pretty. Damn it, hold it. Break it. Where'd it go? Okay. Yeah, I'll pop this sucker back on. Man, I feel like I broke this thing, to be honest with you. Gosh darn it. This is what I hate about plastic tabs. It pisses me off. There we go. I hope that's good enough. Whatever, that'll work. But the front one looks pretty cool. Nevertheless, looks pretty nice. I don't know if you picked it up on camera, but it looks pretty cool. Alright, well, unfortunately, I couldn't finish it off. you know, putting on the dome light, but it's all right. It's whatever. I'll return and get another one. Nevertheless, that's pretty much it. You know, it wasn't a really cool video, but hey, at least got a video out there. But nevertheless, if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to the channel. And with that, I will see you later.